Hey everyone, here with a status update on the P-51 project. As you can see, I've removed all the factory applied decals from the airplane. I've also gone over with some silver paint to kind of clear up some of the areas that the decals pulled off the foam. That will look a little bit better after I'm not add a second and third coat of silver to it. But one of the most important changes you see is the inclusion of full invasion stripes, which is very rare on a D model, and it's not actually going to be historically correct for the airplane that I'm making. But since the E-Flite P-51 included full invasion stripes over the wings, I decided I would add full invasion stripes over the fuselage as well. And remember from history, these were only used for just a few weeks before they were ordered removed from all upper surfaces. So a couple of the tools that I'm using here to make the invasion stripes, I'm using some Tamiya model masking tape. That's the thin yellow tape that you see applied on here right now. And then I will use both yellow delicate tape and some blue tape to help mask off the areas, and some newspaper to help just kind of control the overspray. I also use a pen and a digital caliper. And the digital caliper I use to actually make sure that the invasion stripes are the correct width. The installation of the stripes in the war were 18 inches apart, and so if you know the scale of your airplane, you can just figure out what the dimension needs to be at. This was much easier because the factory already had installed invasion stripes in the lower half of the fuselage, so I had a good starting point, and then I just made sure I matched the width all the way across the fuselage, and then they'll get the decals applied over the top of that, and that will be it. You can see the nose is still under some work right now. The decals have been removed, and some of the paint has been painted over already with the chrome silver, but you can tell the nose is obviously going to be a different color, and that's why the silver doesn't extend all the way up to the nose. So otherwise, that's the status update on the E-Flite P-51. There's still a lot of work to still be done before it is completed, and it probably will fly next spring when the weather turns good. So it should be a fun project to work on over fall and winter, and keep checking back, so I'll have some more status updates as the project continually moves along. But right now we're gonna go finish masking this off and paint the black of the invasion stripes, and then we'll get started on the nose.